Skyakers traffic, Archer 3312 departing runway tree 5, heading northeast, Skyakers.
You're watching Alpha Kilo Warrior Aviation Entertainment over New England.
Nobody on final. Nobody going the other way. Alright, heels on the floor. Alright, a little bit of right rudder, looking for center line. There's our 60, rotate. Climbing out at 80. Yeah, a little bit bumpy down there today. Some really good pancakes there at Anger's Cafe. Skyakers traffic, Archer 33121, right crosswind tree 5, heading east, Skyakers.
If you guys follow me on social media, I've officially declared Skyakers as one of my top 10 airports. And just like my friend from Doylestown, PA, Russ, from Russ Can Fly, I'm a Gen Xer and I still use Facebook. I highly encourage you guys to follow me on Facebook, posting there almost every day. Going back to some old school action here, when I first started my channel, I did a lot of these time lapses. We're heading east, heading back to Hartford, Brainerd, and I picked 3 spots along the way to kind of slow down the action and talk about. Normally I don't put music to my videos, but I think the time lapse deserves a little background music here. So enjoy the show, and let me know in the comments what's your most favorite part that we showcase here on Alpha Kilo Warrior Aviation Entertainment over New England. Coming up to our first point of interest is in the town of Kent, Connecticut, where Kent Road traces the Housatonic River. And we have Conundrum Farm on the bottom right there. Just wanted to say that. And although I don't ride anymore, I remember riding my Harley Davidson up Kent Road, up to a covered bridge up this way many, many years ago. Beautiful landscape, beautiful ride. And hugging the base of Skiff Mountain are Leonard Pond and Hatch Pond. And right to our 12 o'clock, still in Litchfield County, Connecticut, is Lake Waramaug. This 656-acre natural lake spans part of Kent, Warren, and Washington. The lake has about 8 miles of shoreline and an average depth of 22 feet. The lake was named after Chief Waramaug of the Wyandot tribe, whose summer residence was here, and was central to local Native American history and later became an industrial and summer retreat before being preserved as a state park in 1920. Lake Waramaug was designated Connecticut's first heritage lake in 2000 and is actively managed for clarity and invasive species prevention. And if you saw last week's video, you'll remember that we flew over Bantam Lake. Well, we're coming up to Bantam Lake to our 12 o'clock. It's that sliver straight ahead. With a surface elevation of 892 feet is Bantam Lake, Connecticut's largest natural lake, offering scenic beauty, abundant recreational activities, and a protected natural habitat in the towns of Morris and Litchfield. The 947 acres has an average depth of 14.3 feet. The primary inflows and outflows are the Bantam River, and that island is called Deer Island. There's a couple beaches called Sandy Beach. It's a large beach with boathouses, canoes, and shaded picnic area, and lifeguards and entrance fees applies. And then there's Morristown Beach, a smaller, relaxing public beach for swimming. And in the winter, there is ice fishing, skating, and ice boating, and cross-country skiing on the lake. If you're into camping, there's Point Family Campground with 47 sites and Windmill Hill Family Campground with 18 sites around the lake. And fishermen enjoy large and smallmouth bass, northern pike, and rainbow and brown trout. Morris, Connecticut residents will recognize the Morris Reservoir dam below. It's about 100 feet tall and holds back 4,600 acre-feet of water. We're now making our way over Route 8 and the Naugatuck River over Thomaston. A couple months ago, I actually flew down Route 8 from Warren all the way down to Naugatuck. I'm going to toss a card in the upper right. Make sure you guys check that out if you want to see that. It's a lot of snow on the ground, and we did it in the winter. A really cool Route 8 time lapse north to south. What's up, Bristol, Connecticut? Population 60,830 over the Chippenny Golf Club below. I want to give a shout out to my friends at Robertson Airport for Bravo 8 in the upper right hand corner, especially Interstate Aviation. I have a few videos landing in Robertson. Make sure you guys check those out. Cards going up. And we're back to Hartford over Route 84 and Batterson Park below. Thanks for watching Alpha Kilo Warrior Aviation Entertainment on YouTube. Be sure to check out Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I'm posting social content daily. Thanks to my channel members for helping support my channel. If you want early access to my Sunday videos, custom emojis, and member exclusive content, you could join for 3 cents a day on YouTube. And the money goes 100% back into the channel. Thank you so much. And as my GoPro decides to stop recording over Weathersfield, I'll be bringing you Sun and Fun action as I'm heading to Lakeland, Florida and volunteering for Sun and Fun Radio. You guys can listen to the action on liveatc.net/SNF, and I'll be posting on Facebook and Instagram daily while I'm down there. And the plan is to upload every evening when I get back to the hotel on YouTube. Have a sparkling day. Thanks for watching.